32nd letter of Urdu alphabet is Noon. Noon. It sounds like N in name. Noon. Noon plus noon plus noon is written like this. Noon at the beginning, noon at the middle, and noon at the end of the word. Noon plus alif, na, jazm over che, nach, nu alif na, nachna. Nachna is written like this. Nachna. Nachna. Nachna means to dance. Nachna means to dance. Noon alif na, khepeshkhu, and noon, nakhun. Nu alif na, khepeshkhu, noon, nakhun. Nakhun is written like this. Nakhun. Nakhun. Nakhun means nails. Nakhun means nails. Noon zabar na, mim zabar ma, kaf, namak. Namak is written like this. Namak. You have noticed that shape of noon is quite changed, and it happens when a word begins by noon and it is followed by jim, che, he, khe, etc. The shape becomes this. This is namak. Namak. Namak means salt. Namak. Namak means salt. Namak means salt. Thirty-third letter of Urdu alphabet is Vaw. Vaw. Vaw sounds like W in Y. Vaw sounds like W in Y. Vaw is a non-connector. It means that a letter after it is not connected to it. If in a word there is a letter after Vaw, it is written separately and not connected to Vaw. Let's see some words. Jawab. Jim zabar ja, waw alif, wa and be. Jawab. Jim zabar ja and waw are connected. And since waw is a non-connector, alif is written separately. Alif is also a non-connector, so be is also written separately. Jawab. Jawab means answer. Jawab means answer. Dawa. Dawa. Dawa means medicine. Dawa. Dal is a non-connector, so waw is written separately. And waw is also a non-connector, so alif is written separately. Dawa. Dawa means medicine.